AARA Energy Innovations, we are proud to partner with Sahyadri Agro Pipe Industries to create a sustainable energy solution that's as ambitious as it's impactful. Spanning over a massive 55,500 square feet at Belenki, Sangli, this installation boasts an impressive capacity of 807 kilowatts. We have utilized Vari Monoperk 545 watts peak solar modules, ensuring peak efficiency and reliability. Safety and accessibility are paramount. That's why we have incorporated FRP walkways, a safety lifeline rope, and an ESC-type lightning arrestor covering a 107-meter area, ensuring both safety and longevity. Powering this system are 7 3-phase on-grid sun-grow inverters. Complete with an online monitoring system, these are housed in durable metal cabins alongside 7 ACDB panels, each equipped with all-in-one combiner boxes for streamlined operations. We have used GI-coated cable trays and installed 20 earthing points to ensure a secure and efficient setup. Keeping the system clean and efficient, we have installed a 3 horsepower motor specifically for solar module cleaning. This project was executed, a testament to our commitment and expertise in solar energy. The plant now generates approximately 4,035 kilowatt hours of clean energy every day, adding around up to 12,10,300 kilowatt hours annually. This installation not only powers Sahyadri Agro Pipe Industries but also contributes significantly to reducing carbon emissions.
Namaskar. Myself Deepak Katdare. I am technical head in Sahyadri Corporation. Actually, Sahyadri Corporation working in 6 verticals. That is Sahyadri Construction Company, Sahyadri Developers, Sahyadri Agro Pipe, Sahyadri Pipe, which deals with the manufacturing of RCC and pre-stressed concrete pipes. Then crusher. At the time of factory construction, it was planned that we will go for green energy. After studying the quotations, we found that AARA Innovative, having technical background, good technical background. So we decided to go with AARA, and after that AARA has supplied very technical background and good work they have done. For last 2 months, our project is running with full speed. It was pleasure to work with AARA, all team. We are very thankful to AARA for their work, and I expect good wishes for their future.
AARA Energy Innovations, we believe in making the world a cleaner and greener place. This installation is more than just an investment in technology. It's an investment in our planet's future. Join us on this journey towards sustainable energy. AARA Energy Innovations, your trusted partner in solar energy.